Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert any coin in USDT in MEXC. For that, you need to simply open your MEXC app and provide your login credentials to sign up into your account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, I would highly recommend you to use the link in the description if you want to increase your chances of getting up to 8,000 USDT as a sign-up bonus. Now, once you are in your MEXC account, simply tap on the more option on the home page, then select the convert option, and then you will be landed on this conversion page. Now, over here by default in the from section you will see USDT. So here you need to tap on this drop down menu, and from this list you need to select that particular crypto which you want to convert into USDT. So let's say you have Aave in your account or Cardano in your account, for example. So you need to select Cardano over here and then tap on the drop down menu in the to section, and now you need to select USDT. Now, once you are able to find USDT in this section, you need to simply tap on it in order to select it, and it should look something like this. The coin that you want to convert into USDT should be on top and USDT should be in the bottom. Then you need to enter the amount of crypto that you want to convert into USDT, and it will show you the preview conversion option in the bottom. So tap on the preview conversion and you will be given 10 to 15 seconds in order to confirm that conversion. So once you complete that conversion, it will happen immediately, like you will be able to convert any other coin into USDT with zero fees, and it is also instant execution and effortless conversion. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.